guys, it's Maddis from Maddis Lemonade Stand and my mom.
And today we're going to try something new. We're going to try some dirty soda recipes to see if it's going to be good enough to add to the Maddis Lemonade menu. For our ingredients, we're using orange crush, Dr. Pepper, strawberry puree,
Coke, Sprite, sweet and creamy creamer, and a cup of ice.
All right, so we're going to start with the orange crush and creamer. I think this is supposed to be like a dreamsicle. You do yours. All right. Pour your creamer. I already shook up the creamer before we opened it. That's a lot. Give me a straw. I think that's enough. All right. Here goes.
What's the cream color? I like this.
Yeah, it tastes like a dreamsicle, like a orange. What is it called? Dairy Queen.
What's
orange Julius? It tastes like an orange Julius.
It tastes like those push pop things that push up, those orange things. That's what it tastes like.
I love orange Julius. They're right there hitting.
Me personally, I think this one right here gives off more dreamsicle vibes because it's really good. It tastes like orange and cream. That hits.
Let's move on to the next one. Get your cup. We're going to try Dr. Pepper this time. Try to get this. All right. I'm trying my OD on mine. All right. All right, here it goes.
It's like a Coke float.
Yeah, it tastes like ice cream float. Root beer float.
Yeah. I'm gonna like it like that.
It ain't better than that orange sickle though. It ain't better than that orange sickle.
But I'm also not a really big Dr. Pepper fan.
Tripping. All right. So that was the Dr. Pepper. Let's try. All right, we're gonna try the Sprite. This time we're gonna try some strawberry in with it, and then cream. Just enough.
And the creamer.
This one real dirty.
Wait.
It's giving me cherry. It tastes good. Strawberry, creamy. It kind of reminds me of a creamy strawberry drink. It's not my favorite. What do you think?
It's just like kind of fit like cherries. Yeah.
It's all right. So now we're gonna try Coke.
I wonder how this one tastes.
That's all you're gonna put in there? Just a little taste? Let's see. Hook me up.
I think this one tastes
just a little splash.
I think this one tastes like
a little splash. All right. really taste. I think that Coke overtaken.
Mine tastes like more like creamer.
Yeah, that Coke wasn't hitting. Maybe you put too much creamer in yours.
Probably.
Just do a little. You just need a little bit for color.
I think the dreamsicle one this one.
Yeah. Out of all of them, which one is your favorite? We got Coke, strawberry with strawberry puree with the Sprite. We have Dr. Pepper with just creamer, and then we got the Crush with creamer. I think the Crush is my favorite. What do you think, Madisynn? What do you think?
I think this one and my second favorite would probably be. I'll probably say this one.
The strawberry?
Yeah.
So the Sprite and then dreamsicle tasting. That's your favorite?
Mhm. These two kind of taste similar. I'm not really.
I don't like the Coke one.
I don't really like Coke, and I really don't like Dr. Pepper like that.
I mean, I like Dr. Pepper, but I think that Crush got it. That Crush got it.
I would drink this any day.
All right. Well, thank y'all for watching, and sounds like Crush is the winner. Maybe we'll add this to the Maddie's Lemonade menu. Y'all come stop by and see us.
Bye.
Bye. Please like and subscribe.